Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Birchbox unboxing for October 2018, and if you guys want to see what's inside this month's box, then keep on watching. We have a first here on this channel. In all of my years with Birchbox, which is about just over 2, I have never picked up a curated box. Every month Birchbox gives you an option where you can choose either to pick one of the 3 selected products. You can either pick a curated box or you can just basically wait and see what you end up receiving. So of the 3 products this month to pre-select, none of them really seemed to strike home for me, or nothing was really exciting. Nothing really seemed to pique my interest. So therefore I kind of said I would either wait to see like what I received, or I would take a look just to humor the idea of a curated box. Truthfully, I really liked all the products that was inside the curated box, and I said, you know what, why not take a shot in the dark and see what it has to offer. I will say that I noticed my box got here significantly early. Like usually my subscriptions all roll in without the same time, which is about like the 2nd or 3rd week of the month. This guy came here probably like the 7th or the 8th. This guy was here super early, which makes me wonder if, you know, that kind of waiting period to see where products might be selected or whatnot, if that gets cut in half. So in going forward in the future, if maybe I'm in a pinch, if that is even the case, we can, I don't know, like kind of play ahead to say if I'm anticipating certain products to go ahead and submit it a little bit earlier. This month's Birchbox is really cute. It's very fall inspired, and this is all about turning over a new leaf. First item is the Laura Geller New York Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss, and this doesn't say what shade it is. Oh, it does. So this is in the shade color Blushing. You know how I feel about lip glosses on this channel. They are not my favorite, and looking at this automatically reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss we received last year in a Sephora play. Maybe a dupe, maybe this is something that I give to a friend, but of course we will try it out to see how it feels, how it wears, if it's like most lip glosses that I despise, and so on and so forth. Next, inside our Birchbox, we have here an eyeshadow from ITTSE, and this is the eyeshadow magnetic single in the shade color Metamorphosis. Like that, it has some pretty reflectant. It's a really pretty like taupey shade. This would be a really good everyday shade to wear. This is unfortunate because like I would need a Z palette to put this in, and I don't have a Z palette. Maybe this will be the inspiration to start buying eyeshadow singles. Probably not, but needless to say, this is a really pretty everyday color. It never hurts to have neutral eyeshadows, especially something that you can build a palette around, like using a Z palette or so on and so forth. So a little inspo there. Next, in our Birchbox, we have here a product from Dr. Jart, and this is the Ceramidin cream, which I've heard a lot of really good things about this. And of course, Dr. Jart is one of those skincare brands that a lot of people have been jumping on the bandwagon for. And I'm guessing that this is just a regular moisturizer, but I guess it's supposed to be like a super duper moisturizer. So we'll go ahead and put a little bit on the back of the hand here. Kind of almost feels like a medication for like acne or something. On the spot that I put on my hand, it does feel pretty soft. I don't know what its claim to fame is. This is supposed to be really good for like super dehydrated skin. It might be something that I stow away in my carry-on because cabin air in airplanes is always super dehydrating, and maybe that would be something to utilize when we go to Iceland, that, you know, it could help restore any sort of moisture that gets pulled out of my skin. Next in our Birchbox, we have the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. I received a Sand and Sky face mask a while ago on this channel. I'm pretty sure it was in a Birchbox. I don't think this was the exact one, but I have seen this brand popping up on Instagram with a lot of influencers. So for me, this is pretty exciting. We always love a good skin mask, especially a clay mask, because that's going to pull out all those impurities and bring everything to the surface. So then that way it's going to help make extraction a little bit easier. The last thing inside our Birchbox this month is from R&Co. This is the Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse, and this is actually why I signed up for the curated box. So let me explain. This is going to be a pre-shampoo treatment, so it's going to help kind of get rid of all of that product buildup, all those days and weeks and months of dry shampoo that I use. And this is not going to be just quite an exfoliating treatment, but it's just going to help really kind of, I guess, rinse everything out. I have been using the Away scalp exfoliator body scrub, and I like it, but sometimes I feel that maybe it's just a little too abrasive on my scalp and I get kind of very sensitive, and of course I flake like a son of a gun. So for me, I'm always excited to try new products. We do know that R&Co is one of those companies that I like, sometimes I don't like, but I'm really excited to try this out because this is a product that I've never even heard of before, let alone something that I can start incorporating into my routine. So that was everything that was inside my curated Birchbox this month. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Birchboxes. My experiences of getting a curated box, I definitely think that it's not nearly as fun, so to speak, as unboxing something that you don't know what you're going to get inside and letting somebody else pick for you. However, if there is a certain product that you don't want to miss an opportunity on, why wouldn't you try it? They give you that option for a reason. Sometimes there's like maybe one product in there that I really want to try, and then I'll just kind of take my luck, so to speak. But everything in this box was definitely something I could see myself using, seeing myself liking, and why not? It's been 2 years. We might as well try something new, try a different service that they offer, because again, they must curate those boxes for a specific reason. So yeah, this month's box, since it is a curated box, and so it's kind of hard to pinpoint if whoever curates the boxes at Birchbox knows my style, but I think for what was inside this box, it's definitely practical. There's a lot of things that work together, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this month's box a B. I know that's kind of a strict grade based on something that might not work for everybody, but on a first impression, I would give it a B. We'll be sure to do a full product breakdown of all the products inside this month's Birchbox, and you guys can find that over at the website at saralock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's. And I'll also be sure to link all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.